gonna hurt you. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Let's see if we can see it. It's not gonna hurt you. It went away anyway.
Let's go.
It's over there. I don't know where to go. There it is. I don't know. Where'd it go? Oh, yep. Just flew by Mommy. I don't know. Where'd it go? Oh, I found it. It's over there. Nope, it left again. Let's show Monkey. Monkey's enjoying it outside. Yes, he is. Look at him. Monkey's enjoying it outside.
Baby.
Christian, go get Littlefoot. He's stuck. Okay, don't do that, Christian. Don't do that. Stop. Littlefoot is stuck. He's guarding that plate of chicken right there. Oh look, Cookie Monster's eating. Is Cookie Monster eating, Christian?
I eat it.
Now he's really eating.
Nice burger. Oh my picture.
He's got his whole face in the plate. Christian, come out of there, please. Okay. Christian, you got to come out of here. Cause see, you are allergic to that kind of bee right there. Yeah, you are.